So that day I have told you about the formula of reflection. Means when a point is reflected on x-axis, on y-axis, on origin, and then on a line parallel to x-axis, on a line parallel to y-axis. So see here, suppose this is a point A comma B, and it is reflected on the line x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Y equals to 0. Then what will happen? Sign of y coordinate will be changed. A comma minus B. It's clear? When A comma B reflected on x-axis, sign of y coordinate will be changed. That is A comma minus B. When A comma B is reflected on y-axis, it is reflected on y-axis. That is x equals to 0. Then it will be minus A comma B. If it is reflected on origin, when it will be reflected on origin, sign of both the coordinates will be changed. It's clear? If it is reflected on a line parallel to x-axis, line parallel to x-axis, what is the equation of such line? Y equals to k. क्या हो जाएगा? x कोऑर्डिनेट तो एज इट इज रहेगा और इसके 2 टाइम्स से y कोऑर्डिनेट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. From the 2 times subtract the y coordinate, that is 2k minus b. Similarly, when a comma b is reflected on the line parallel to y-axis, what is the equation of such line? X equals to h. क्या हो जाएगा? From 2 times we will subtract to the x coordinate. So x coordinate is a, so it will become now 2h minus a comma b. The other thing is you can do it graphically. You can do the same thing graphically by using graph. That also I have explained. It's clear? Here I have explained. Then that what will be the reflection, so that I have explained here. It's clear? You can do the graphically also. This point is clear? Now see here, after
Yes,
this, I will do some questions. Now here, earlier there was invariant points and like that also. Let me see. Yes. Now after this, you see one more thing, invariant points. Invariant points. What is the meaning of invariant point? Now see here, R a point is said to be invariant. Is said to be invariant under a reflection on line L. On line L. A point is said to be invariant under a reflection on line L if its image coincides with itself. Under that reflection, a point is said to be invariant under a reflection on line L if its image coincides with itself under that reflection. It's clear? Means you can see here, suppose this is a line L and here it is a point P. This is the point P. When this point is reflected on the same line, where will be its image? अगर point P को इसी line पर reflect कराएं, then what will happen? Its image will coincide with itself. It's clear? When point P which lies on line L is reflected on the same line, then its image will coincide with itself. इसकी इमेज क्या हो जाएगी? खुद अपने आप से coincide हो जाएगी. When point P which lies on the line L is reflected on the same line, then its image will coincide with itself. It is clear? Therefore, point P will be invariant under reflection on line L. Now see here, suppose the line is this and this is a point Q, whether it will be invariant under reflection on this line? Now answer. क्या
No, sir.
Q को L पर रिफ्लेक्ट कराने पर इसकी इमेज खुद अपने आप से कोइंसाइड हो जाएगी? तो नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि इमेज कहाँ बनेगी? ऑन ए लाइन विच पासेज थ्रू Q एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द मिरर लाइन, and as behind as it is in front, means image will form here. Image is not coinciding with Q. Therefore, Q is not invariant under reflection on line L. Q is not invariant under reflection on line L. Means what is the condition of invariancy? What is the condition of invariancy? That the point should lie on the same line with respect to which it is invariant. Point को उसी line पर lie करना चाहिए जिसके with respect वो invariant है. आया समझे? जिसके with respect वो invariant है. This point is clear? This point
Yes,
is
sir.
clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Now you can see here. You can take one question on the one here in on the graph. This is x dash, and this is y dash, and this point is O. This is 1, 2, 4, -1, -2, Now listen here. whether this point will be invariant under reflection on x-axis. This point, what will be the coordinate of this point? Who can tell? Its
2,
coordinate
0.
will be 2, 0
2,
because it is lying on x-axis. Whether it will be invariant under reflection on x-axis.
Yes, sir.
क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी image under reflection on x-axis will coincide with itself. Now this point coordinate is 4, 0. It is lying on x-axis and invariant under reflection on x-axis. But if you reflect this point on the y-axis, then its image will form where? Its image will form here. Image of this point will form where? Its image will form here. So the same points are not invariant under reflection on y-axis. आया समझे? जो x-axis पर situated points हैं, they are invariant only under reflection on x-axis. They are not invariant under reflection on y-axis. It is clear?
Yes,
Similarly, if you take this point, its coordinate is 0, 2. Here, this point 0, 3. They are invariant under reflection on y-axis. Under reflection on y-axis, they are invariant. But if you reflect them on x-axis, if you reflect this point on x-axis, image will form here. Therefore, it is not invariant under reflection on x-axis. मतलब क्या rule है? Points which are lying on x-axis, they are invariant under reflection on x-axis. Points lying on x-axis are invariant under reflection on x-axis. Similarly, points lying on y-axis, are invariant under reflection on y-axis. It's clear? This is the first rule. This is the second rule. It is clear? Now here you can see once again on the same graph. What is the coordinate of this point? 1, 0. Here this is -1, 0. Here it is 3, 0. If you see, all these points are lying where? ये points कहाँ
on
lie कर रहे हैं?
x-axis.
On x-axis. Whose equation is?
0.
X-axis की क्या है? Y equals to 0. You can see here 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, -3, 0, -1, 0. All are lying on x-axis, whose equation is y equals to 0. Means all these points are invariant under reflection on y equals to 0. Under reflection on y equals to 0. अब देख लो, हम एक कुछ पॉइंट और लिख रहे हैं. You see here. Suppose the point is here point 5, 2, -1, 2, -2, 2, -3, 2. All these points will lie on which line?
Y is equal to 2.
Y equals to 2. जैसे यहाँ पर ये सभी कहाँ पर लाई कर रहे थे? Y equals to 0 पर, क्योंकि सबका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या था? 0 था. उसी तरीके से ये कहां पर लाई करेंगे, y इक्वल्स टू 2 पर ना, मीन्स ये किसके विद रेस्पेक्ट इनवेरिएंट होंगे, दे विल बी इनवेरिएंट अंडर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन y इक्वल्स टू 2। आया समझे, क्योंकि ये सभी पॉइंट इस लाइन पर लाई कर रहे हैं, देयरफॉर दे आर इनवेरिएंट अंडर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन y इक्वल्स टू 2। अगर ये लाइन हम यहां ड्रा करें तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, लाइन ये हो जाएगी, y इक्वल्स टू 2 किसके पैरेलल होती है, x एक्सिस के। आया समझे, ये इक्वल्स टू 2 हो जाएगी। इट इज क्लियर। ये पॉइंट क्या हो गया, 1, 2 हो गया, ये 3, 2 हो गया, ये 4, 2 हो गया, -1, -2, -2, -3, -2, दिस इज 0, 2। इट इज क्लियर।
Yes, sir.
सो अगर क्या है, कुछ एक पॉइंट्स का y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है, आए समझे, रूल क्या है, इफ y coordinate of some points is same, say it is k, ये कितना है, k है, then all those points will lie on the line y equals to k and will be invariant under reflection on line y equals to k. They will be invariant under reflection on line y equals to k. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझे। अब देख, हम यहाँ पर तन्वीर में आ रहा,
यस सर आ रहा है।
कैसे ये पॉइंट ले लें, इसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हुआ, 0, 5, ये 0, 4, ये 0, 3, 0, 2, दिस इज 0, 1, दिस इज 0, 0, दिस इज 0, -1, 0, -2, 0, -3. All these points are lying on which axis? All are lying on
Y
y
axis.
axis, whose equation is x equals to 0. Whose equation is x equals to 0. क्यों इक्वेशन x equals to 0 है? क्यों? क्योंकि सबका x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, सबका x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, therefore equation is x equals to 0, and since they are lying on this line, therefore they will be invariant under reflection on this line. They will be invariant under reflection on this line whose equation is this. Is clear? आए समझे। तो अगर हम उसी तरीके से ये लिखते हैं, 3, you can see here, if I write this 3, 2, then 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, -1, 3, 0. You can see here 3, 2 is which point? This is the 3, 2. 3, 3 is this. 3, 2 it is here this. 3, 4 it is this point. 3, -1, 3 and -1 के सामने ये 3, 0 is this. If you see here, all are lying on which line? On a line parallel to y axis, और उसकी इक्वेशन क्या है? x equals to
3.
x equals to 3. Therefore, they will be invariant under reflection on this line. they will be invariant under reflection on this line. It is clear? So see here, यहां पर रूल एक ये और हो गया, if x coordinate of sum of the points is same, say h, x coordinate कुछ पॉइंट का सेम है, say h, then all those points will lie on line x equals to h and will be invariant under reflection on line x equals to h. I said x equals to h. Now see the last point. If you see origin, origin is lying on x-axis as well as on y-axis. Therefore, origin will be invariant under reflection on x-axis as well as y-axis. Origin will be invariant. ओरिजिन कौन सा पॉइंट है जहां पर ये दोनों एक्सिस कट कर रहे हैं, ये पॉइंट क्या है जिसको O से डिनोट करते हैं, वो ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन इज विल बी इनवेरिएंट अंडर रिफ्लेक्शन on x-axis as well as on y-axis. It is clear? This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see the last point. अगर Q को रिफ्लेक्ट कराने पर Q डैश मिला, Q को इस लाइन पर रिफ्लेक्ट कराने पर Q डैश मिला, तो Q डैश को इसी लाइन पर रिफ्लेक्ट करा देंगे तो Q मिलेगा. Q लाइन L पर रिफ्लेक्ट कराया गया है तो Q डैश मिला. So Q डैश को अगर रिफ्लेक्ट कराए इसी लाइन पर, then what will you get? You will get the Q. It's clear? Now see the questions. Now see the question number 4. The image of a point P under reflection in x-axis is 5, minus 2. Image of a point P under reflection in x-axis is 5, minus 2. When it is reflected on x-axis, image is 5, minus 2. Write down the coordinate of P. So just now I was told P को x-axis पर reflect कराने पर ये मिला, तो इसको इस पर reflect करा दें. So when point is reflected on x-axis, sign of y coordinate is changed. Sign of y coordinate is changed. Therefore, coordinate of P, point P, y coordinate का साइन चेंज कर दो, क्या हो जाएगा 5, 2. It is clear? This is simple thing. इसको x एक्सिस पर रिफ्लेक्ट करा दिया तो P मिल गया. So 5, 2.
सर इसको ग्राफ में भी शो करना होगा?
ग्राफ में नहीं करना. आया समझे? Question number 5. A point P is reflected in x-axis. It is reflected in x-axis. It's clear? Coordinate of its image is 8, minus 6. Find the coordinate of P. You have to find the P. So see here, What is coordinate of P? What will be P के coordinate? इसको x एक्सिस पर रिफ्लेक्ट कराया तो y कोऑर्डिनेट का साइन चेंज होगा 8, 6. Then it is given find the coordinate of the image of P under reflection in y axis. मतलब P के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है ये, जब इसको रिफ्लेक्ट कराते हैं y एक्सिस में, y एक्सिस में रिफ्लेक्ट कराने पर x कोऑर्डिनेट का साइन चेंज हो जाता है, तो क्या हो जाएगा 8, -8, -6. So this is the coordinate of image. This point is clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. A point P is reflected in the origin. The coordinate of image are this. P when reflected on origin, coordinate of its image are 2, -5. Find the coordinate of P. So coordinate of P will be, दोनों coordinate का sign change करो, -2, 5. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Then the coordinate of image of P in x-axis. Coordinate of image of P in x-axis. P के coordinate क्या है? ये है. When you will reflect it on x-axis, what will happen? Y coordinate का sign change हो जाएगा. -2, -5. Is clear?
Yes, sir.